I don't think it's working.
Yes, it
Is
does.
it?
Mhm.
Okay. Hi there. I'm Agne, so I'm gonna present Kimolian Academy
Okay.
um, Green Practice project. I also did a internship. Um, but, so here's what you can expect from this presentation. And first of all, I would like to introduce what Green Practice is. It is a startup based in Austria, and their mission is to connect sustainability companies to the right experts. The duration of the project is 6 months, and it involved collaborative efforts of teamwork. We also used notably.ai, same as Georgia, and used Figma and Miro board for workshops. So first of all, I would like to give credits to Eleni, who supervised me and guided me alongside with Udeme, and also gave me this opportunity to work with Greenpeace stakeholders, which is Jacqueline and Rashni. And also a huge thanks to our developer, Greenpeace developer, Fabian, and of course participants who played a vital role in providing really valuable research insights. So here is the process of the whole 6 months. We covered a lot. We covered research and discovery. We covered research and discovery, ideation, validation, design, visual design, UI design, and lastly, Figma teaching sessions with stakeholders. So for now, I'm going to focus on research on discovery, all the way to validation. So, research, I think research is one of the key foundations to any great project. So we conducted more than 40 user interviews collaboratively to gather insights about the challenges and needs that they were facing in sustainability world. I closely worked with Udeme for this and clustered qualitative data using notably.ai under Eleni's supervision. And what we also could see the need for knowledge exchange across different sustainability experts and need of seamless and effective matching experts, and most importantly, referring them to the right companies. To support our primary research, it's always great to do secondary research, which is competitor analysis. What we found the gap in the market um, that basically had a need for community. So now moving on to the ideation process. We basically did a brainstorming workshops and gathered potential solutions. We also did persona creation, which represented the different segments of sustainability experts and companies. And we found out that all personas shared frustration and need for assistance in navigating through complex sustainability regulations. After we identified the gaps, pain points, and opportunities, we use How Might Be framework to validate and vote assumptions and summarize the most important ones. And of course, assumptions can stay as assumptions if you don't validate them. So the people that we interviewed, we invited them to our focus group and gave them an opportunity to identify the needs for them. What we found out is that sustainability companies face obstacles in fostering community engagement and effective communication with short-term sustainability experts. The most important problems were the users felt that they lacked trust, and they needed to be matched with the right companies, and they wanted to have a sense of community. So then we thought about the solution, how to go around it. And the most important thing is to have great user experience interface that would cover both companies and experts, and give them opportunity to share the knowledge, and also for green parties to be known because it's the startup, so they needed to grow. So now moving on to the second stage of the process, which involved visual design, UI design. The most important thing is to start from wireframes. So because of the time constraints and other things, we focused on onboarding prototype and landing page. We wanted to give that quality pages. So to start with, any visual design starts from the branding. And what we see, we only see above the surface. We don't see below the surface. But below the surface, there's a lot that's going on. We have the purpose, mission, vision, and values, and they all need to come together to represent the visual design and also to tackle the problem that we agreed on from the user research. So here I came up with the mood board that would elicit the look and feel of the green parties using the words trustworthy, connecting, people, and elegant. However, the client didn't like that, and that's completely fine because the words doesn't mean the same to different people. So then we asked them to use the sticky notes to place them into what they thought was the correct image. And after analyzing the needs of the client, we agreed on different words. The design needed to be professional, warm, modern, and elegant. And these are the three illustrations that I did. And you can see that version 1 was very simple. And then version 3 represented the worm and also Green Party's flag and Austrian nature. So here's the final set of illustrations that was given to the client. Moving on to UI design, I think it's really important to have a design system in place because that would save a lot of time. Also, we normally see a button and think that we need to design just one button. However, working with a developer, I realized that you need to have a lot of states to show a better user experience, and as well as like headings and colors. Okay, so I want to show you a video of onboarding prototype, if that's possible. If not, I can just talk through. Basically, the whole idea was to simplify complex sustainability matching by grouping everything into teams and also using breadcrumbs to indicate the registration process. It's fine. And then the landing page. So the landing page follows the informative landing page structure, but it's also very focused on buttons, which would help to increase user retention rate. And to finish off, I think even though we face challenges, I've learned a lot. Some of the constraints were managing stakeholder expectations, also balancing time constraints. But here is the link to the landing page. I was going to show a video and talk through the design decisions that I made using through the landing page, but you can scan the QR code and have a look at it. And thank you for being here. Thank you.